Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th foundation subject physics chapter work power energy, and this is part 9. In this part we will solve some questions based on power because in previous two parts we have learned the whole concept about power. So let us start. First question is, a body does 20 joule of work in 5 seconds. A body does 20 joule of work in 5 seconds. What is its power? So, this is the given information and we have to find the power. Power is equal to W upon T, work done upon time taken. And the unit of power is joule per second. So units are also correct. So 20 upon 5 we will write 5 ones are 5, 4s are 20. Therefore power is equal to 4 joule per second. Joule per second we can 1 joule per 1 second we can write as watt. So power is measured in watt. 4 watt is the answer. Next question is, what is the power of a pump which takes 10 seconds to lift 1000 kg of water to a water tank situated at a height of 20 meter? Take gravity acceleration due to gravity as 10 meter per second square. So in this question the given information is, we have to find power. What is the power of the pump which takes 10 seconds to lift? 10 seconds to lift. To lift means the work is against gravity. Mass is to lift 1000 kg of water to a tank situated at a height of 20 meter. G is to be taken 10 meter per second square. Now, in this question, we will put the formula P is equal to mgh upon T. M is given 100 into G is 10 into H is 20 and time is also given 10. 0 will get cancelled, we will get 2000. 2000 watt is the power. Therefore, this is the answer. Next question is, a boat is moving through a water at the rate of 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second. Its engine has a power of 50 kW. Find the force which must be overcome in moving through the water. They have given us the rate water at the rate of the water means the velocity of the water is 10 meter per second, and they have told us the power is 50 kW. 50 kW. 50 k means 50,000. So 50,000 watt. Then they have told us to find the force. Find the force that is moving through water. We know that we have learned a formula that is P is equal to FV. FV, we have learned this formula. So, we know velocity, we know power also. So, we can find force. Force would be equal to P upon V. So, F is equal to 50,000 upon V is equal to 10. Therefore, the force applied is 5,000 Newton. Unit of force is Newton. This is the answer. I hope you have understood this. Let us move towards the next question. The heart does 2.5 joule of work in each heartbeat. How many times per minute does it beat if its power is 4 watt? So, the given information by the question is the heart does 2.5 joule of work in each heartbeat. So, one heartbeat gives 2.5 joule of work. How many times per minute does it beat? Means how many times it beat means n number of heartbeat. In how many? In 1 minute. In per minute means in 1 minute. This is the time. And they have told us power is 4 watt. In power, the time should be in seconds, so 1 minute could be written as 60 seconds. And normal formula of power is P equal to M upon T. Sorry, P is equal to W upon T, work done upon T. Over here, we don't know how much heartbeat it takes in 1 minute. So we have considered it N. So we'll multiply N with P. P is equal to N into W upon T. Like this will become the formula for this type of questions. So we have to find N and we have other values. So P into T upon W. N is equal to power is 4 into time is 60 and 2.5 is the work done in 1 heartbeat. So N would be equal to 4 into 60 into 10 by 25. After removing the decimal point, we got this. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 12s are 60. Therefore, the value of N is 4 into 12 into 2, that is 96. Therefore, 96 times the number of heartbeats in 1 minute would be 96. I hope you have understood these questions. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. I hope you have understood this. In part 10, we will start with the topic of energy. We will learn about energy. Till that, I hope you have understood these questions. Thank you for watching.